Good to see you again, Rolling Thunder. I know we're gonna be in for a wild ride. Rolling like thunder on the Phoenix. Oh, wow. Morning, Nini. It's a spooky Phoenix. Now, somewhere around this realm, you'll find my friend Saj taking pictures. Let's play Spot the Saj, everyone. I don't see him. Woohoo! Oh! Whoa! That's a good appetizer for what's about to happen. Whoa! Whoa! Ah! Oh! Whoa! Whoa! What? Whoa! Ah! Ah! Whoa! Whoa! What was that? What is this? This is insane! Ah! The laterals! Oh my god! Ah! Ah! Dude! Don't cross me! Ah! Ah! Oh my god! Wow! Ah! Oh my god! My adrenaline is pumping so hard! Oh my god!